Hey, what's up, house builders? Welcome back to Quizzer World. Today's challenge is a big one. Would you rather build your luxury dream mansion? We've got 70 creative rounds for you, and you only have 10 seconds each to decide what goes inside your mega mansion. Will you build a pool under your living room, a glass elevator, or maybe a candy-filled hallway? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's start building your dream masterpiece.
Really are. The first round is coming up. Can you guess which app makes this sound? Netflix. Which brand is this sound from? It's WhatsApp. What do you think about this sound? YouTube. Which app would you prefer? YouTube or Netflix? Comment your pick down below. Which brand makes this sound? That's Windows. What do you think this sound represents? Good job! That's TikTok. What about this one? Nicely done! That's Nokia. Here's another one. Can you guess? It's 20th Century Fox. Can you guess the brand? That's right, it's Coca-Cola. Listen carefully. Which logo is this? That is Among Us. Do you recognize this one? That is Cartoon Network. Take a close look at this photo and find 3 differences. Good job! Here, here, and over here. Can you guess the logo tied to this sound? You got it! It's Disney Plus! What logo does this sound remind you of? Great work! It's PlayStation! Let's move on to the next challenge. Which brand is this sound tied to? That is McDonald's. Here's your next challenge. Nice work, Pixar! What brand is this? It's HBO! Number 30. What's your guess for this round? Awesome! It's Messenger! Who does this sound belong to? Superb! That's the Nintendo Switch! Round 20, pay attention! Fantastic! Pac-Man! How many Pac-Man are there? You got it! There are 15! What logo comes to mind with this sound? It's Taco Bell! What brand do you associate with this sound? It's Pringles. Listen up, this sound belongs to which brand? You nailed it! It's Walt Disney! What do you think about this one? Bravo! It's Roblox! Can you identify this brand? It's Super Mario! Which brand do you hear? Bravo! That's Pepsi! Question 9. Can you guess the logo? Awesome! It's Xbox! If you've ever played mobile games, this sound should be easy. Which one is it? Spot on! It's Angry Birds! What logo comes to mind?
Cocomelon!
You've got it! Cocomelon!
Cocomelon!
Do you remember what the real Pepsi logo is? Look carefully to see which answer is correct. That's right, it's A. What does this sound represent? Good job! That is Twitter. Can you guess the logo? That is Skype. What logo do you think of when you hear this sound? this apple? Which logo does this sound represent?
Have a break. Have a break.
You got it! It's Kit Kat!
Have a break. Have a break.
What logo is this? Fantastic! That's Snapchat! Keep on listening! Do you know this brand? That is Duolingo! Here's what's coming up next. What's your answer? Superb! That's EA Sports. Do you recognize this brand?
What you doing to me?
Starbucks!
What you doing to me?
And now the last question for you. Where was Starbucks founded? Starbucks was founded in the USA. Did you get the answer right? Thank you for watching the video and joining the challenge with me, Astronaut Niels. You can click on the video displayed on the left or right side of the screen to join a new challenge and become a winner. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Galaxy channel for more fun challenges. See you again in the next video!